Coming up, let's hear about enterprise visual communication solutions from X2O Media. Please welcome CTO and Vice President of R&D, Mansour Breck.
You're watching YBL TV.
Mansour, how do we take any content and place it on any screen with you?
Hi. Well, you start by using our server to upload all that content, and we take that content from any source, we create a channel out of it, and then we send it to any screen. And behind you can see how we've sent it here to this large video wall. This is called our social wall, and what you're seeing is anyone that's tweeting here at the show using the hashtag DSC 2014, those tweets will come straight to air and will show up here on the screen, and you can see these have come in the last few minutes.
Let's take a look at the moderator tools.
Sure. So some people may be a little nervous about having people tweeting and having that content go straight to air. You could have offensive words or other such language that could get through. What you can do is use our moderator tools to scan the content, pick what's appropriate, and then build a media set of approved content that can go to air.
What are we looking at in terms of a monthly fee?
If you use our cloud-based solution, the monthly fee could be as low as and as simple as $10 a month per player.
How does a client build a channel with Twitter and Facebook in it?
The way they do that is using our channel designer tool. It's also an HTML5-based tool which runs in a browser, so you can use it from any platform. And it's object-based because our system is based on these smart objects. And you can see down the left here we have a number of these smart objects that we can use. There's a Twitter cube. You can just drop that in, and it's got all the Twitter links already in it. We'll take a little smaller one here. There's this Twitter cube, and you can see all the Twitter feeds coming straight into it. So we have a rich library of objects that we can use to build up channels like you're seeing on the air, just using the simple drag and drop mechanism.
Mansour, we're in a corporate boardroom. We need to get our message across. How do you guys help us?
Well, we have our X-Presenter Live system, which allows you to take your meeting in that corporate boardroom and turn it into a live TV production. So to start with, you have your PowerPoint that you typically have, and you use a touchscreen here to advance through the slides. But at any time, I can also just squeeze in, and it'll reveal some additional information, which could be news, weather. There's a stock ticker at the bottom, a news ticker at the bottom. In this case, we can also do a remote call-in if we have a remote participant. So we have the little window here, I can call in there, and I'm getting the live feed from our remote participant.